it's Andrea from Poetic Black Gurl, and we just wrapped up our culminating event for 2025's My New York Story program, where we brought together 10 sites of youth as well as teenagers or older adults to make a cookbook and make letters and reflections and poetry.
And it was like really fun to make because like everyone had an opinion on like what they cooked, and it was really fun to like construct something as a group.
The world has changed, but it still involves people connecting with one another.
We told them about our experiences as young people, and they are telling us their experience as young people, and they're quite similar.
The intergenerational programming is a great addition to what we do at the Department of Youth and Community Development, as we're bridging gaps between the young adults in our communities and the aging adults of New York.
In my youth, I had programs like this, and it truly, I believe, made the difference in my life.